Imagine ushering in the new year, not just once, but several times a year, each time with its own unique traditions and customs. Welcome to India, a land of diverse cultures and rich traditions. Here, New Year celebrations are not a one-size-fits-all affair. Each region, each community, each culture has its own distinctive way of marking this auspicious time. This video will touch upon these different New Year celebrations, their cultural significance, and the customs that make them unique. Get ready to embark on a journey of vibrant colors, sounds, and tastes as we celebrate New Year the Indian way. In India, the celebration of the New Year is not just a single event. It's a series of vibrant festivals that take place throughout the year, each with its own unique customs and traditions. Let's embark on a journey through the diverse landscapes of India and explore the myriad ways the New Year is celebrated. From the bright lights of Diwali in the north to the colorful Puthandu celebrations in the south, from the spring festival of Baisakhi in the fertile fields of Punjab to the auspicious Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra. Every region has its own distinct way of ringing in the new year. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, signifies the victory of light over darkness and is celebrated with great fervor. Puthandu, marking the Tamil New Year, is welcomed with intricate columns, festive feasts, and the exchange of gifts. Baisakhi, a harvest festival, is a time of joyous celebration, filled with dance, music, and an abundance of food. Gudi Padwa, celebrating the Marathi New Year, sees households hoisting the Gudi flag and sharing sweet treats. Further north, we have Navratri in Kashmir, a celebration that merges tradition and nature, and Ugadi, the Telugu and Kannada New Year, marked by a special dish that encapsulates all flavors of life. These celebrations, each unique yet united in spirit, truly reflect the diversity and unity of India. In the multicultural tapestry that is India, each thread represents a unique way of celebrating the new year. From the grandeur of Diwali, the festival of lights, to the vibrancy of Baisakhi, the harvest festival, each celebration is a testament to the richness of Indian culture. We've journeyed through the distinct celebrations that light up the country from north to south, east to west. Each festival, while unique in its traditions and customs, shares a common thread, the spirit of new beginnings, of hope, and of prosperity. These celebrations are not just about marking the passing of time or adhering to traditions, but about the coming together of communities, the sharing of experiences, and the forging of bonds that transcend barriers of language, religion, and region. As we conclude our journey, remember, in India, every day can be a New Year's Day, a fresh start, a new beginning. I have something exciting to share with you. If you're curious about the scientific reasons behind why Indians celebrate Diwali, then I've got just the thing for you. Check out this awesome video and discover all there is to know about this fascinating festival.